days of Herod the king, wise men came from the east to Jerusalem, saying, "Where is he who is born King of the Jews? For we have seen his star in the east and have come to worship him." And when they saw the star, they rejoiced with exceeding great joy.